Morning, children. All of you ready for class? So, in the last class, we have discussed about life in high mountains. We are going to continue the same topic in this class also. So, what is the topic? Life in high mountains. So, I told you in the last class that these Himalayan ranges were divided into three ranges. What are those three ranges? Western Himalayan range and Eastern Himalayan range and Northeastern Himalayan range. Thus, these Himalayas are divided into three ranges. These are the three ranges. Under each range, which places are coming, we have learnt in the last class, right? These are the places which comes under each Himalayan range. What is the first Himalayan range? Western Himalayan range. What are the places comes under Western Himalayan range? Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Are you seeing in the map these four places? Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand were the four places which comes under Western Himalayan range. Today we are going to see the people's lifestyle in these four places. Okay? Seeing that, what is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in the map? You see and tell me. Srinagar. And Ladakh, Leh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. These four places comes under Western Himalayan range and we are going to see the life of the people in these four places. Shall we? And we also discussed in the last class that growing orchards, terrace farming and rearing sheep and goat are the main occupations of the people who lives in mountains. Right? Growing orchards, terrace farming and rearing sheep and goat were the main occupations of the people who live in mountains. Wild goat and yak are used to carry their goods. Wild goat and yak are used to carry their goods. So what is the first place in Western Himalayan range is that Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. We are going to see about Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. See the picture, children, how beautiful it is. This is only called as Kashmir Valley. What it is called as Kashmir Valley. Because of its beautiness, we say it as heaven on earth. Because of the beautiness with the green mountains, green trees and lakes which were surrounded by this area is known as, it looks very beautiful, so that it is also known as heaven on earth. See, Kashmir Valley is described as a heaven on earth because of its beauty. So because the beautiful nature in surrounded in situated in Kashmir, which makes the Kashmir Valley as heaven on earth. The famous Dal Lake is situated here, surrounded by trees and mountains and snow. So you can see the lake here, which you are seeing in the picture, that is called as Dal Lake. What is the famous lake situated in Kashmir is called as Dal Lake. Small houseboats, shikara, is used here. Big houseboats are used as hotels for tourists. Are you seeing the small boats which were in the lake? Yes. The lake, what is the famous lake is called as Dal Lake. The famous lake is called as Dal Lake. The small houseboat which you are seeing in the picture, the lake is called as shikara. What is that lake? What is the small houseboat is called as shikara. Kashmiri, Ladakhi and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. What are the languages spoken by the people of Kashmir here? Kashmiri, Ladakhi and Urdu are the languages spoken in the Kashmir. Okay, so because of the beautiness of Kashmir, Kashmir Valley is described as heaven on earth. And what is the famous lake situated in the Kashmir is called as Dal Lake. And the small boats which we are seeing in the lake are called as shikara. Big houseboats are used as hotels for tourists. Right. Kashmiris wear loose clothes. You can see in the picture that, okay, they are wearing loose clothes. Both men and women wear a loose shirt called firan. You can have a look in the picture that a man and a woman is wearing a loose dress. Are you seeing that? Loose shirt. What it is called as firan. What is this one is called as firan. So the loose shirt worn by Kashmiris is called as Firan. Kashmiris keep themselves warm by hanging kangri under the Firan. Kangri is an earthen pot with burning coal which is enclosed in a basket. You can see in this picture, a girl is carrying a basket. Yes, that is only known as kangri. What will be there inside of that basket? An earthen pot with a burning coal. What will be there? An earthen pot with a burning coal, which is enclosed in a basket. This is only called as kangri. So to keep themselves warm, why? Because the weather is very cold. So that to keep themselves warm, the people under the firan, they will hang the kangri. So what is a kangri? It is an earthen pot with burning coal which is enclosed in a basket. Are you seeing in the picture? The girl is catching a basket. No, inside of that we have that. This is only known as kangri. Okay. So once again we repeat. To keep themselves warm, Kashmiris hang kangri. It is an earthen pot with burning coal which is enclosed in a basket. Animal rearing, farming, waving carpets, blankets and shawls are the main occupations of the people. What are the main occupations of the people in Kashmir? Animal rearing, farming, waving carpets, blankets and shawls are the main occupations of the people who live in Kashmir. The Pashmina shawls are famous all over the world. So you can have a look in the picture that these are the Pashmina shawls which are produced in the Kashmir. These are famous all over the world. What are the shawls that are famous all over the world? Pashmina shawls of Kashmir. Pashmina shawls of Kashmir are famous all over the world. Milad-ul-Nabi, Hemis festivals are celebrated here. So what are the festivals celebrated by the people of Kashmir is? People of Kashmir, Milad-ul-Nabi and Hemis are the festivals which were celebrated by the people of Kashmir. And the second place which comes under Western Himalayan range is Himachal Pradesh. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. So towards the south of Jammu and Kashmir, we have Himachal Pradesh. And the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. You can see in the map. See that towards the south of Jammu and Kashmir, we have Himachal Pradesh, and the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. So we also know the meaning of Hima. What is the meaning of Hima? Yes, it is abode of snow. Himachal Pradesh, abode of snow, lies to the south of Jammu and Kashmir. So towards the south of Jammu and Kashmir, we have a place called as Himachal Pradesh, which means abode of snow. It is a hilly area with orchards and enchanting villages. Apples, apricots, plums, pears, peaches, grapes, etc. are common fruits grown here. So what you can see in Himachal Pradesh, sometimes the apple seller also used to call as Shimla apples like that. So Shimla is famous for apples, right? So these are what are the fruits that we can see in Himachal Pradesh? Apples, apricots, plums, pears and peaches. Commonly grown fruits in Himachal Pradesh. People speak Hindi here. What is the language spoken by Himachal Pradesh people? Hindi. Nati is a popular dance here. Dasara, Shivratri are the festivals celebrated by here. So what are the festivals that are celebrated by the Himachal Pradesh? Dasara and Shivratri are the festivals celebrated by the people of Himachal Pradesh. The next place is Uttaranchal. The capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. Towards the south of Himachal Pradesh, we have Uttaranchal. The capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. Okay, and one more thing you can see here, Uttaranchal as referred to as land of gods. So the place Uttaranchal known itself as land of gods. Why it is known as land of gods, we'll see. Okay, did you saw the location of Uttaranchal? Towards the south of Himachal Pradesh, we have Uttaranchal. And it is known as the land of gods. Why it is called as land of gods? Can anyone tell me? Okay, we will see why it is called as land of gods. The rivers like Ganga, Yamuna drain this path. Many of people join the army. Farming and cattle rearing are the occupations of the people here. So what are the rivers that flow through Uttaranchal? Ganga and Yamuna. So many of the people will join into the army. And what are the main occupation? Farming and cattle rearing are the occupation of the people. So can you identify these religious places? Okay. What are these religious places? Here is Badrinath, Kedarnath and Gangotri. What is Gangotri? Where the river Ganga starts, holy place, right? Where the river Ganga starts, the place where the river Ganga starts, Ganga river start is called as Gangotri. Okay, Kedarnath and Badrinath were the famous religious places which were located in Uttaranchal. So that the Uttaranchal is known as land of gods. Understand, children? So have you heard about Badrinath? And I think you watched the movie also, Badrinath, about the Badrinath temple and everything is described in the movie, right? Yes. So the famous religious places Badrinath, Kedarnath and Gangotri were located in Uttaranchal. So that the Uttaranchal is known as land of gods. And the rivers like Ganga and Yamuna drain this part. Many of the people who live in the Uttaranchal were interested to join the army. Farming and cattle rearing are the occupations of the people in Uttaranchal. So we have completed the Western Himalayan range. Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand people about we have learned. So the next Himalayan range is Eastern Himalayan range. What are the places comes under Eastern Himalayan range? Sikkim and Darjeeling. So the Eastern Himalayan range places are Sikkim and capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, and one more place which comes under Eastern Himalayan range is Darjeeling. Have a look in the map. Between the neighboring country Nepal and Bhutan, a small place is situated that belong to India. The state is called as Sikkim. Down of Sikkim only you can see the Darjeeling place. These are the two places which comes under the Eastern Himalayan range. World's third highest peak, Mount Kailasgiri, is here. So as we have learnt in the first class that the highest peak in the world, what is the highest peak in the world is? Yes, it is Mount Everest. And the third highest peak in the world, Mount Kailasgiri, is located in Sikkim. Bhutanese, Lepchas and Nepalis live in Sikkim. So people who are living in Sikkim, Bhutanese, Lepchas and Nepalis live in Sikkim. The traditional dress of women is long skirt called boku. So the dress, you can see in the picture that the woman is wearing a traditional long skirt. It is called as boku. So the traditional dress of women, the long skirt worn by women in Sikkim is called as boku. Darjeeling is famous for tea gardens, produce high quality tea, place attracts a large number of tourists. So are you seeing the place? Dot down of Sikkim, a dot representing Darjeeling place. Here the Darjeeling is famous for tea gardens. So and produce high quality tea, and the place attracts large number of tourists. So which place produce a high quality of tea here? The place is Darjeeling. Okay, and it is famous for tea garden. So now we have discussed about the Western Himalayan range places and also about Eastern Himalayan places, right? Once again we repeat. Okay, first one is Western Himalayan range places about the Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Kashmir Valley is described as the heaven on earth because of its beauty. The famous Dal Lake is situated here, surrounded by trees and mountains and snow. The small houseboat shikara is used here. Big houseboats are used as hotels for tourists. So the houseboats which we are seeing in the picture are called as shikara. The famous lake situated in Jammu and Kashmir is Dal Lake, and Kashmir Valley is also known as heaven on earth. Kashmiri, Ladakhi and Urdu are the main languages spoken by the people of Kashmir. Kashmiris wear a loose clothes. Both men and women wear a loose shirt called firar. We have seen in the picture that the man and woman, which the loose shirt worn by man and woman is called as firan. Okay. To keep them, the Kashmiris keep themselves warm by hanging kangri. So, for under the firan. Kangri is an earthen pot with burning coal which is enclosed in a basket. So, what is a kangri here? To keep themselves, Kashmiris keep themselves warm by hanging kangri. So, under the firan. Kangri is an earthen pot with burning coal which is enclosed in a basket. What are the main occupations of the people of Kashmir here? Animal rearing, farming, weaving carpets, blankets and shawls are the main occupations of the people in Kashmir. The Pashmina shawls are famous all over the world. Miladun-Nabi and Himis festivals are celebrated in Kashmir. So the third place under the Western Himalayan range is Uttaranchal, known as the land of gods. And famous religious places Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri were located in the Uttaranchal or Uttarakhand, so that the place is known as land of gods. The rivers like Ganga, Yamuna drain this part, and many of the people who live in Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal will join in the army. Farming and cattle rearing are the main occupations of the people who live in Uttaranchal. And the second one is, second range of Himalayan mountains is the Eastern Himalayan range. The places comes under Eastern Himalayan range is Sikkim and Darjeeling. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. So the world's third highest peak, Mount Kailasgiri, is located in Sikkim. Bhutanese, Lepchas and Nepalis live in Sikkim. The traditional dress of women is long skirt called boku. So the traditional dress worn by women, the long skirt is called as boku. And the place Darjeeling is famous for tea gardens, produce a high quality of tea. And the place also attracts a large number of students. Right, children? So today we have learnt about the lifestyle of the people of Western Himalayan range and the Eastern Himalayan range. So what is left over now? The Northeastern Himalayan range. So the 7 states which comes under Northeastern Himalayan range are also called as what? 7 sisters. So what are the 7 places comes under the 7 states which comes under the Northeastern Himalayan range? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. These are the 7 states which comes under the Northeastern Himalayan range, are also known as 7 sisters. So these 7 states lifestyle of the people we are going to learn in the next class. What we have learned today? The Western Himalayan range, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, lifestyle of the people, and Sikkim and Darjeeling, lifestyle of the people we have learnt in this class. So in the next class we are going to learn about the Northeastern Himalayan range, the states of the people's lifestyle. Understand, children? Hope you understand. Thank you. We will continue the topic in the next class.